Ibingnya ya, tamnya ya.
Nang siya to para bo. Nang sa adunya sa adi pun to ni phang ni na to kasira ni. Siya hong dong ang chalo to ko kana to ko chalo to. Tam tam na to ba. Mai ti mo ba. Ay apa na pero tay.
Ya ini cuma izin kalau nggak dipercaya. Oh, dari itu kalau tuh berapa? Masisi koigi Mami Thawan Foundation. Mami Thawan habisi koigi non-profit organization foundation amane. Wakal manaba koigi mission na punjil laga semba. Koigi yam namak chawr basu natragana chawdra basu Manipur gi apaba thabak khar katang orasu koina ngamjaba level da thabak khati tausi haina sumaina kathokpagi wakhalon chenba adugumba miyoi singna pullaga semba koigi foundation amane. Mami Thawan Foundation habise aduga ngasigi function sina Mami Thawan Foundation haibasi manungda leiba koigi Mami Thawan FC Mami Thawan Football Club ki akoigi jersey aduga website launch topic program ne sing haki manungda soi dana koi ngasigi nuairaba jersey amadi website launch topic program si myamasu ubirani myam internet ki thang ding biriba kusem like bi thang ding biru punamna program si loi bu yang biu duga Mami Thawan bu support to biu akoisu nushiraba Manipur lamdam sigi kai ki khara su to bangam naba hona jage. Thank you.
ไม่ปัก来哈，比较接吧，谁就来这吧。来东塔喽。谁都来吧，他们跟你塔喽吧。羊肉，羊肉，他们跟你来的谁都多。
Hello, check, check, check. Stage 1, 2. Check. Stage, check. Check. Stage 1, 2. Roll over. Roll over. Check. Hello, check, check. Hello, check.
No to drugs, yes to life. I will be team Ziggy Makada. We hold even a Haron Singu when I suppose the Henataway on the body when I message on the Pijanaba. Manipuri Cinema, when I was Sadazuna, upon the day when Haron Singu, when I put to what number, Adogumagi, what Mamma Sarasa, Mami Thawan hai batin se adu si pangthok chariba function city one ki kids ba distributor wa da sponsor to bi ko men honor to bi program
ngai jai aduga yam phasaba wakalon yam phasaba thine haibini haijani aduga asi sum tajabu da manipurgi laiba actors yam sabai leibire remwa kuma ma yauri na dai chung
hoi manipurgi actor male actor habadi hawala diba koi me na pamna ki actor sing loina asi loina koi stage ta rem thok ko me na soida na miyang tabia gani me am su ngai bi wai na
dari digi khwaidagi ali football ji da thawa yauni na khwaidagi pamjaba team khwaidagi pamjaba player me am na habir
aine am pam
Come on, baby, come on now, let me be the one to show you I'm the one who wants to be with you. Deep inside, I hope you'll be with you. Waiting on the night, you're waiting all night, just to be the next to be with you. The love you can't pretend, so you can't be a tough one. Wake up, who cares about little boy that touch you more? I was in love, you go down. Give a love is all right now. Come on, baby, come on now, let me be the one to hold you. Round the world, yeah. Deep inside, I hope.
Ina handor ma handor kham pote bodu punna di thetu ne ba
Atau ini untuk ay pege tanah. Lai. Anang jing dia. Anang jing tu lah ya. Kita lah. Đâu ra? Các sinh ngủ có được.
mà sắp ở đây thì anh ngân này làm về đi ngoài hôm cả gần đâu còn xe phải đồ thả cái gì nhỉ Last case ni ko saya. Last case. Amadi horin. Last load. Pro lay pro. May masuk lah foto ka pula. Sina Rishigi. Sina Romigi. Sina Prithvi. Naigi. Dahuni. Come. Mangga pula. Amangga. Kita yang juga. Sonda. Dorino. Smile please. Thank you. Late hello, yes sir. Sonda le.
Eso. Espero.
그렇지, 잠깐씩. 노이즈 잠깐씩. 그렇지, 어머니자. 어머니자. 어머. 여름이야. 여름이야.
ngài liều nè
Yes, lah. Kada ulu ya.
check
Check. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to start the event, and therefore all those who are loitering around, roaming around, you're all requested to please gather up at the main venue. We'll be starting this event in just a while from now.
में आपका क्या योगदान है?
वैसे ये दूसरी बार ये दूसरा वाला है। पहले हमने मणिपुर में क्लब बना चुका है, अभी नया वाला बनाया हुआ है। इसमें फिलहाल से मम्मी भवन का फाउंडेशन दे सकते हैं। हम लोग एक प्लान कर रहे हैं कि जो फ्यूचर पे जो बच्चे लोग
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the launching of Kits and website of Mami Thawan Foundation, a non-profitable organization based out of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, at the very outset, we're now presenting the opening song, Sana Laibak.
Shana Laibak Manipur, Manipur, Ko Loi Nangi Manipur, Manipur, Shana Laibak Manipur, Ko Loi Nangi Manipur, Lai Janungi Mani, Naraki Laira, Lai Janungi Mani Naraki Laira Itak na mangal chawgi Itak na mangal chawgi Shana Laibak Manipur Ko Loi Nangi Manipur Chikna lem na ngan thoi bis tamni khaina yang kokno sumhat yai oi bis tamni korogi ahan ba kongda pam oi ri korogi ahan ba kongda pam oi ri nacha nau yok nau kon hai bi khoi rum mon mi no lai tin gi sarana ithak hau balam lupana kong gol tin balam sarana ithak hau balam lupana kong gol tin balam sanban atiyana pijang oi sanban atiyana pijang oi mani gum manganai mani gum manganai sara lai bak Manipur ko loi nang gi Manipur
Thank you very much to Boniam for that wonderful lyrical opening song titled Sana Leipak. May I now request the chairman of Mami Thawan Foundation, renowned director Romi Meite. May I also request actors Roshan and Karbam along with Romi Meite on the stage for the welcome address.
Ngasigi nong tage toramadagi thawai waramba numidangi nungsiraba nong di tarakhitraba nungairaba Mami Thawan Foundation gi sugumlaba Mami Thawan FC gi jersey amadi website launch tobagi program da lengbirakliba khwai punangpu yan hanmada Mami Thawan Foundation na hikoklona khurumjari Mami Thawan Foundation haibasi tasengna Manipur gi sanaba khonabu yamna nungsijaba Manipur gi culture amasung Manipur gi mahoksagi oiriba phibam singbu yamna ngak senjaningba adugumbagi wakhal leiba mot manaba miyoi singi foundation amani masi non profit foundation amani tasengna isada Manipur bu yamna nungsijaba amasung kathokpa maga yauna Manipur gi thabak kharada oirabasu yamna chauba natragabasu akhoi hingningi matam sida kayumba kharadang oirabasu toramsi haidana mot manaba miyoi singna semjaba foundation ni ngasigi sugumlaba nungairaba Mami Thawan Foundation gi manungda leiriba Mami Thawan FC football club asigi magi official jersey amadi website launch tobagi thoram masida lengbirakliba khwai punongpu amukusu hanna taram okchari amasung makha thaba thoram masi mayam na sinajari thagajari
A very simple yet very powerful welcome address given by the chairman of Mami Thawan Foundation, Romi Maitei. Ladies and gentlemen, proceeding now, we will have the launch of the kits. First of all, we have Team Water Bottle of Mami Thawan Foundation. To launch the Team Water Bottle, may I invite on the stage Director of Loktak Development Authority, Mr. Bhagatond. Also to be escorted by Sadananda and Johnson. May I request Director LDA, Mr. Bhagatond, on the stage to launch the Team Water Bottle. Ladies and gentlemen, Director LDA, Mr. Longjam Bhagaton, on the stage to launch the Team Water Bottle, escorting by Sadananda and Johnson. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Team Water Bottle of Mami Thawan Foundation being launched by the Director LDA, Mr. Longjam Bhagaton. Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath. Displaying the Team Water Bottle is none other than the gorgeous, marvelous Soma Laishram. That was indeed a very lovely, lovely lady displaying the Team Water Bottle of Mami Thawan Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have the launch of Kaizen Football. To launch the Kaizen Football, may I request the head coach of Neroka FC, Retha Mero, on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now launch the Kaizen Football. And we have the head coach of Neroka FC, Retha Mero, escorted by Johnny and Romi Lamabam on the stage for the launch. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the launch of Kaizen Football by none other than the head coach of Neroka FC. And ladies and gentlemen, displaying the Kaizen Football is lovely looking Maxina. Thanks to Mexina and thanks to Reta Meru, the head coach of Neruka FC, for launching the Kaizen football tonight. And ladies and gentlemen, we now have the launching of kit bag. And to launch the kit bag of Mami Thawan Foundation, may I request Mrs. Nira, film actor, on the stage to be escorted by W. Roshan and Nauba. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mrs. Nira, film actor, escorted by W. Roshan and Nauba on the stage for the launch of the kit bag of Mami Thawan Foundation. There you go, that is the kit bag of Mami Thawan Foundation, launched by Mrs. Nira, film actor, escorted by W. Roshan and Nauba alongside. And ladies and gentlemen, displaying the team's kit bag is none other than Suchitra Wongkim, renowned actress, displaying the kit bag of Mami Thawan Foundation here. Thank you to Mrs. Nira and also thanks to Suchitra. Ladies and gentlemen, up next is of course launch of Team Boot. And to launch the Team Boot, may I invite Mr. Asem Kennedy and Asem Ongbi Seleja, founder IPS School Kanchipur, to be escorted by actors Araba and Mukabla. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. Asem Kennedy and Asem Ongbi Saleja, founder of IPS School Kanchipur, for the launch of Team Boot. Respected Mr. Asem Kennedy and Asem Ongbi Saleja, founder of IPS Kanchipur, launching the boot. And of course, displaying the team boot is once again Soma Lystrom on the stage. Thanks to Mr. SM Kennedy and SM Ong Bisaleja, founder IPS School Kanchipur, for launching the booth, as well as thanks to Soma Lystrom once again. Ladies and gentlemen, up next is of course the launching of knee guard. And to do the honor of launching the knee guard, may I request Mr. Boniam Thokchom, the film actor, to be escorted by Ronaldo and Sumanta. So ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Boniam Thokchom, the film actor, is also the founder of Back the Pillars. Escorted by Ronaldo and Sumanta alongside. Launching now is the knee guard of Mami Thawan Foundation. And now please welcome actor Wenda on the ramp for the display. Thanks to Mr. Boniam Thokchom, the film actor, as well as the founder of Back the Pillars, for launching the knee guard. And of course, thanks to Wanda for the display there. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have the launching of training beep shirt. And to launch, may I invite Mr. Kangabom James, Manikumar Jewelers, on the stage to be escorted by Ronaldo and Sumanta alongside. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Kangabom James. Mr. Kangabom James of Manikumar Jewelers will now launch the training beep shirt. So that's a training beep shirt being launched by James Kangabom of Manikumar Jewelers. And now for the display, as a show of appreciation to Manikumar Jewelers, may I invite actor Suchitra Wong Kim once again on the ramp for the display. Thanks to Mr. Kangabom James for the launch of Training Beep shirt, and also thanks to actor Suchitra Wangkim for the display. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have the launch of goalkeeper jersey number 1. And to do the honor of launching goalkeeper jersey number 1, may I request Mr. Huidrom Bikram Singh, proprietor of HBS, on the stage to be escorted by Huru and Prithvi. So please welcome Mr. and Mrs. Huidrom Bikram Singh, proprietor of HBS, for the launching of goalkeeper jersey number 1, being escorted by Huru and Prithvi on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Goalkeeper jersey number 1 being launched by Mr. and Mrs. Huidrom Bikram Singh, proprietor of HBS. And now may I invite Maxina Pounam once again on the ramp with a display of HBS. Thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Huidrom Bikram Singh, proprietor HBS, for launching the goalkeeper jersey number 1, and also thanks to actor Maxina Pounam for the display. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will have the launching of goalkeeper jersey number 2 of Mami Thawan Foundation. And to do the honor of launching the goalkeeper jersey number 2, may I request Mr. and Mrs. Kaisham Vinod, proprietor of KVS, to be escorted by Denny and Purnanda on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Kaisham Vinod, proprietor of KBS. And of course, this is the launching of goalkeeper jersey number 2. We have respected Mr. and Mrs. Kaisham Vinod, proprietor of KBS, escorted by Denny and Purnanda on the stage, launching the goalkeeper jersey number 2. And ladies and gentlemen, we once again have Somal Aishram with a display. Let's hear it out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Somal Aishram with a display. thanks once again and Mrs. Kaisham Vinod, proprietor of KBS, for launching the goalkeeper jersey number 2, and also thanks to Soma Lystrom, the actor, for the display. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will have goalkeeper glove. Launching the goalkeeper glove, and to do the honor of launching the goalkeeper glove, may I request Jenny Kurai, a renowned makeup artist from Manipur, on the stage to be escorted by Joni and Araba alongside. Ladies and gentlemen, hear it out again. This is Jenny Kurai, renowned makeup artist of Manipur. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the launch of Goalkeeper Glove by Jenny Kurai, a renowned makeup artist of Manipur, being escorted by Joni and Araba alongside on the stage. And now may I request, once again, actor Wenda on the ramp with the display. Thanks once again to Jenny Kurai, renowned makeup artist, for the launch of Goalkeeper Glove, and also thanks to actor Wenda for the display. And ladies and gentlemen, of course, this is, I believe, the most important part. We will now have the felicitation, of course, and of course the presentation of 2 goalkeepers of Mami Thawan, Prem Sharma and Acho, on the stage. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. We have Prem Sharma, one of the goalkeepers of Mami Thawan, walking down the ramp. Up next is, of course, Acho, one of the goalkeepers of Mami Thawan, and these 2 guys will, of course, act as the wall of Mami Thawan team. Okay, thanks to Prem Sharma and Acho, the 2 goalkeepers of Mami Thawan. We will now have the presentation of Olang Tea, our gift partner, and on the ramp we have Nauba with Olang Tea. So ladies and gentlemen, this is Olang Tea. Should I say indigenous product of Manipur, Olang Tea. Also, please welcome W. Roshan on the stage with the product Olang Tea. And ladies and gentlemen, also please welcome up on the stage renowned actor Kaba with the product of Olang Tea. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Kaba. Thanks to Kaba, Nauba and W. Roshan for displaying Olang Tea there, the product of one of our gift partners for tonight. Up next is of course displaying another product of our gift partner, Samdrenbi Banana Chips. And on the ramp we have Roshan with a product of Samdrenbi Banana Chip. Also, please welcome Johnny with the Samdrenbi Banana Chip product on the stage. So again, ladies and gentlemen, the Samdrenbi Banana Chip is a product of Manipur, processed from the banana found only in here, Manipur. So we had Olang Tea and we are now looking at the Samdrenbi Banana Chip product being displayed by Roshan and Joni on the stage. And ladies and gentlemen, we will now have the display of our partners. First, we will start with Sangay Bazaar, and on the ramp, holding the board for Sangay Bazaar is none other than Araba. Sangay Bazaar is one of our partners. And on the ramp is of course the heartthrob Araba with the Sangay Bazaar board. We also have SLC KSK Hainobok Patsoy as our partner, and displaying the board for SLC KSK Hainobok Patsoy is Mukabla on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen out there, please give him a big round of applause. Mukabla. Holding the display of SLC at KSK Hainobok Patsoy, one of our partners. Up next is again Kaizen and Four Corners Unite. And on the ramp we have actor Huru with a display of Kaizen and Four Corners Unite. Ladies and gentlemen, actor Huru with the Kaizen and Four Corners Unite display, one of our partners. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have Kutsim Live as one of our partners. And on the stage, displaying the board of our partner Kutsim Live is actor Wenda. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, actor Wenda with the display of Kutsim Live. Of course, Kutsim Live is the channel where we can see any live event being streamed on YouTube. We have actor Wenda with the display of Kutsim Live, our partner. We now have KBS Photo, one of our partners once again, and on the ramp, music please. Ladies and gentlemen, on the ramp we have actress Soma Laishram once again with a display of KBS Photo, our photography partner. Up next, it's of course Kishan Audio Visual, KAV in short. Again, our lights and sound partner. And on the ramp, displaying the board of Kishan Audio Visual is Maxina Paunam once again. Kishan Audio Visual, partner of Mami Thawan Foundation. And on the ramp is Maxina Paunam with a display of Kishan Audio Visual. We also have Colorful Creative Creation, CCC Media and Film Production, as our partner, and on the ramp displaying the board of Colorful Creative Creation, Media and Films Production is Suchitra Wongkim. Colorful Creative Creation, or CCC Media and Films Production, our media partner, rather one of our media partners. Thanks to Suchitra, we also have Trans Patkai as our partner. And on the ramp, displaying Trans Patkai is actor Wenda once again. Trans Patkai, one of our partners. Displaying Trans Patkai is Wenda. Ladies and gentlemen, those are our partners, and we had the opportunity to show them appreciation for being the partners of Mami Thawan Foundation. And ladies and gentlemen, we will now have the launch of Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we will now have the launch of medical kit, and on the ramp to launch the medical kit, may I invite Mr. Nanda to be escorted by Sumanta and Ronaldo. There he comes, Mr. Nanda, for the launching of medical kit, escorted by Sumanta and Ronaldo. So we have Mr. Nanda launching the medical kit, sponsored by WFC logo. So the medical kit of Mami Thawan is sponsored by WFC Moirangkong, and displaying the WFC logo is Suchitra Wongkim once again on the ramp. Thanks to Mr. Nanda for launching the medical kit, and also thanks to Suchitra Wongkim for displaying the WFC logo, the sponsor of medical kit. And ladies and gentlemen, we now have the launch of Team Official shirt. And to do the honor of launching the Team Official shirt, may I request Mr. Sinam Pritam and Sinam Ongbi Joybi, proprietor of Eastern Motor, on the stage, please. Escorting the respected Mr. Sinam Pritam and Sinam Ongbi Joybi, proprietor of Eastern Motor, are Huru and Prithivi. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Sinam Pritam and Sinam Ongbi Joybi, proprietor of Eastern Motor, being escorted by Huru and Prithivi for the launch of Team Official shirt. So, ladies and gentlemen, Team Official shirts are being launched by Mr. Sinam Pritam and Sinam Ongbi Joybi, proprietor of Eastern Motor, and of course the sponsor of the Team Official shirt. Showing some appreciation to the partner. Eastern Motor is Soma Lystrom on the ramp once again with the logo of Eastern Motor, Nexa Eastern Motor. Thanks once again to Mr. Sinam Pritam and Sinam Ongbi Joybi, proprietor of Eastern Motor, for sponsoring the Team Official shirt. And of course, thanks to Soma Lystrom once again. We will now have the launching of Team Official shoes. And to do the honor of launching the Team Official shoes, may I request Mr. Presojit, Chairman and Managing Director of SP Groups of Industries and Vice President of Hockey Manipur, on the stage, please, to be escorted by Denny and Purnananda alongside. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Presojit, Chairman and Managing Director of SP Groups of Industries, and of course the Vice President of Hockey Manipur. Mr. Presojit, Chairman and Managing Director of SP Groups of Industries and Vice President of Hockey Manipur, launching the Team Official shoes. And now showing some appreciation to our partner is Maxina Pounam on the ramp with a Lifestyle Gym logo. Thanks to Mr. Prashojit, Chairman and Managing Director of SP Groups of Industries and the Vice President of Hockey Manipur for launching the team official shoes. And also thanks to Maxina for displaying the logo of our partner. Ladies and gentlemen, up next is of course Mami Thawan jersey number 2. And to launch the Mami Thawan jersey number 2, may I request Mr. Thangjum Arun, proprietor of Arun Enterprises and also president of Neroka FC, on the stage, please. Escorting Mr. Thangjum Arun is Romy Lamabam and Johnson. Proprietor of Arun Enterprises, as well as the president of Neroka FC. Up on the head ramp for the launch of Mami Thawan jersey number 2, escorted by Romy Lamabam and Johnson alongside. So Mami Thawan jersey number 2 is being sponsored by Arun Enterprises. Mami Thawan jersey number 2 being launched by Mr. Thangjum Arun, proprietor Arun Enterprises and president of Neroka FC. And Mami Thawan jersey number 2 is of course sponsored by Arun Enterprises. And showing some appreciation to our partner is actor Wenda on the ramp again, displaying the logo of Arun Enterprises. Thank you to Mr. Thangjum Arun, proprietor of Arun Enterprises and president of Neroka FC for launching Mami Thawan jersey number 2. And also thanks to actor Wenda. Ladies and gentlemen, up next is of course the launching of Mami Thawan jersey number 1. And of course, we are very much obliged to have our own Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Nongthongam Biren Singh, who is not of course with us tonight, but yes, he has taken out this opportunity to launch Mami Thawan jersey number 1. So we will have the visual on the display launching the Mami Thawan jersey number 1 by our own Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Nongthongam Biren Singh there. And ladies and gentlemen, we will continue with showing our appreciation to our partners. We now have Classic, and on the ramp displaying the logo of our partner Classic Group of Hotels is Suchitra Wongkam on the ramp. Our hospitality partner Classic Group of Hotels. Displaying the logo of Classic Group of Hotel is actor Suchitra Wongkam on the stage. Thanks to Suchitra Wongkam. And ladies and gentlemen, of course, at the very outset, we also mentioned that we will be launching our own website. And to launch the website, may I now request Mr. Dr. Thangjum Dubli to be escorted by Romy Maitei and Chan Haisam. Dr. Thangjam Thabli, Chairman and Managing Director of Classic Group of Hotels. Dr. Thangjam Thabli will be launching the website of Mami Thawan Foundation. Dr. Thangjam escorted by Romi Maitei and Chan Haisnam on the stage. And our own website being launched. And of course, the website is on display on the LED.
I now launch the website of Mami Thawan Foundation. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you to Mr. Thangjam Thabli, and also thanks to Romi Maitei and Chan Haisnam for the launch of website of Mami Thawan Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, before we proceed, we will now have the display of players of Mami Thawan on our screen. We will now have the players being displayed on the LED screen, players of Mami Thawan. So obviously we have a lot of known faces there in our team, Mami Thawan. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was a brief glimpse of all the players of Mami Thawan, and also a glimpse of players of Mami Thawan practicing on ground. But ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath. We will have all those players of Mami Thawan on the stage to be led by none other than Hamom Sadananda. Please give them a big round of applause and welcome them, please, all the players of Mami Thawan, led by Hamom Sadananda. Ladies and gentlemen, we would definitely need your claps, need your appreciation, need your encouragement for the players. So may I request all the ladies and gentlemen present here to please cheer the team players of Mami Thawan. We have Roshan, ladies and gentlemen, up next is Hamom Purnananda. Also, please welcome Joni. Please welcome Joni there on the stage. Also, please welcome Kaba. I believe I must mention that the jerseys, the dress, the kits worn by the players here are those launched just a while before. Also, please welcome Johnson. Now please welcome Romy Lamabab. Also, please welcome Thorin on the stage. And now please welcome Mr. Huru. And please welcome Sumanta. And ladies and gentlemen, up next is Robertson E. Make some noise for Mukabla. People, give it up for Nava. We also have Ronaldo. Ladies and gentlemen, up next is Prithvi. People, let's hear it out for Araba. Also, we have W. Roshan. People, can you make some noise for Reddy Menon? And we now have Mohan up next. We have Achoba, one of the goalkeepers. Last but not the least, we now have Hamom Sadananda. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. One last time, give them a big round of applause. Players of Mami Thawan. As well as the thank to all the respected dignitaries for taking your time out and making your presence felt tonight at the launch of kits and website of Mami Thawan Foundation here. Thanks also to all our partners and gift partners for your benevolence extended to Mami Thawan Foundation. Thanks to all the actors from Manipuri Film Fraternity for being part of Mami Thawan tonight. Thanks to all the players of Mami Thawan. And of course, we are looking to see you perform well and of course inspire many young budding football players in the state. Thanks to all the media persons for covering the event. We hope that you will give away a good message to the people of Manipur. Thanks to all those who are here present tonight at the very launch of the kits and website of Mami Thawan tonight. Thanks to all those who have made this event successful, and of course to all those who have helped us in forming the Mami Thawan Foundation and of course launching of the kits and website of Mami Thawan Foundation tonight. Thank you to all and everyone once again. Ladies and gentlemen, this is just a small reminder that we will continue the event with a live band performance. In the meantime, every one of us present here can enjoy the dinner served at the very lawn. We will now continue with the live band performance. Okay, so yes, as I mentioned, we will now continue with the live band performance. However, the dinner is being served at Sangai Hall. So everyone who loves the taste may please go to Sangai Hall for the dinner as the dinner is being served. But yes, at this very venue, we will continue with the live band performance.
check. Hello.
Check. Ning sing zaning ba mentang. Ikoi dinner asi Hotel Imphal gi Sangai Hall hadana kwai digi makharom thang bada leiba. Dung ba Sangai Hall da dinner si serve hoji mag haure duna lengsin beri basing na ngan na dinner lokat pi hoge haira gadi koi gi haizer hiba koi gi Sangai Hall da Fal Hotel gi kwai makha thang barom da leiba Sangai Hall da lengsin biraga dinner chabi ba yagani habsin tang nolok na thamjabani
check check monitor kita piro halo check halo check check. Stage 1, 2, check, check.
Check, 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 check.
Stage check.
Check, 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 check.
Oh, check. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Mami Thawan Foundation. And we are Innocent Eyes for today. After this. Okay, guys. Check. Someone told me, low girl, there's a crown before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so to say, if the rain is sunny day, I know, shining down like water. I don't know, have you ever seen the rain? I don't know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down, shiny day. Yesterday, the days before, sun is cold and rain is out. I know, been that way for all my time. Till for April it goes, to the circumference and slow.